destruction. Destruction to our surroundings, life, etc.
And be informed on what should we do in this time.
Help us avoid destruction of life and panic. Have first aid kits, fire extinguishers, and other safety equipment for precautionary measures before earthquake. Seek for an open ground. Example, the field.
Locate exit routes and exit maps for information and precautionary measures.
Objects on high places that might make sure you fast them. The water, gas, and electricity. If you're inside, stay inside. If you're outside, stay outside.
It's like under a table. If you're in a car, get out and go to an open area. Stay away from windows and doors because they might break.
Avoid using electricity. After an earthquake.
Stay out of damaged buildings. Check the gas tanks and check if there are leaks.
Check lines, gas, and water for damage.
Turn on your